Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're going to talk about the Carson Dellosa 152-piece 3-inch colorful bulletin board letters. And why this is the best cutout letters bulletin board set for your classroom, office, or home decor. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to make your bulletin board stand out, the Carson Dellosa colorful bulletin board letters are exactly what you need. This set includes 152 pre-punched, vibrant uppercase alphabet letters, 21 numbers, and 42 punctuation marks, making it the perfect tool for creating eye-catching displays. Whether you're working on a back-to-school bulletin board, a special event display, or simply looking to brighten up your space, these letters will help you get the job done with ease. Made from durable cardstock, each letter, number, and punctuation mark measures 3 inches, making them just the right size for both large and small displays. The vibrant colors in the color splash design make these letters pop, ensuring that your messages will grab the attention of everyone who walks by. You can use them for a variety of purposes, creating welcome messages, teaching the alphabet, setting up a countdown calendar, or even spelling out important reminders. Not only are these letters versatile, but they're incredibly easy to use. The pre-punched design saves you time by eliminating the need to individually punch out letters. Whether you're decorating a classroom, organizing an office space, or just adding a fun touch to a child's room, these colorful cutouts will add the perfect finishing touch to your decor. The Carson Dellosa colorful bulletin board letters are designed with hands-on learning in mind. They're great for helping children practice their alphabet, numbers, and punctuation in a fun and engaging way. Teachers, parents, and caregivers will love how these cutouts help create interactive and educational displays for young learners. The best part is that these cutouts are durable and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about them getting worn out after just a few uses. The letters stay intact and maintain their vibrant colors, even after being used over and over. Whether you're rearranging your board or reusing them for different projects, these letters will continue to look great. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a high-quality, colorful, and easy-to-use set of cutout letters for your classroom, office, or home, the Carson Dellosa 152-piece 3-inch colorful bulletin board letters are a must-have. The combination of durability, vibrant colors, and versatility makes this set the best choice for creating fun and functional displays. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe for more product reviews.